We constantly get asked what tools we provide here at the Kentucky Welding Institute, so I'm gonna go over our 7-gallon bucket and all the tools inside of it that you're gonna get when you start here. So here's your very own 7-gallon bucket. All your tools are gonna be inside. Let's go over them. First off, you're gonna get a fiber metal hard hat. Had to move it. Second thing you're gonna get is a grinder shield halo mount. Third thing is a welding hood halo. Fourth thing is a streamlight pen light to look at the weld. Fifth thing you're gonna get is a wraparound. Number 6 is gonna be your rod pouch. 7 is gonna be vice grips. 8 is gonna be a file. 9th thing is channel locks. 10th thing is gonna be a level. Next, you're gonna get a combo square. You're gonna get a crescent wrench. Standard chipping hammer. You're gonna get a wire wheel. You're gonna get a large amount of Metabo cutting discs. You're gonna get a cone rock for grinding the inside of your pipe. Next is gonna be a striker for your torches, a brush to brush any welds or anything you need to clean, soapstone and a soapstone holder mount that you can use, DeWalt plier set, stuff starting to pile up, grinder wheels, more grinder wheels, more grinder and cutting wheels. We got a tiger paw, paint marker, clear lens and a dark lens for cutting and grinding, earplugs, tip cleaner for torches, and your stinger for stick welding. And also we provide you with your very own sugar scoop outlaw leather welding hood with the flip lens. We're not done yet. Got 5 more things to show you. You're gonna get your very own TIG rig with your flow meter and hoses and cups and everything you need, gas lenses. You're gonna get your very own DeWalt grinder, your very own welding cap, your very own Western Welder Kentucky Welding Institute shirt, and a pair of glasses. So those 5 things and this 7-gallon bucket full of everything you need is what you're gonna receive when you come to the Kentucky Welding Institute. You use it while you're here and you can take it out in the industry and use it. You will use all of these tools and they're very good quality and things that you will actually use out in the industry.